A prototype, starring here in a test flight over company headquarters. The helicopter is fitted with all sorts of state-of-the-art technical features. It's used to test the kinds of developments envisioned for the future. Dieter Böhle is in charge of production for this particular type of helicopter.
Here we're testing the new flap rotor, a next-generation rotor that will help us to fly even more quietly and efficiently.
The engineers have been working on this rotor for years. The innovation is deceptively simple looking. The contraption actually contains an array of highly sensitive parts. The rotor blades are operated via special software. They're designed to vibrate less and therefore make less noise.
The biggest noise comes from the rotor blades when they rotate. The vibrations produced create the typical sound of a helicopter. These flaps move actively and are controlled electronically. That changes the airflow and reduces the noise level.
As well as becoming quieter, helicopters of the future will also need to be more efficient. And that means fuel-saving engineering.
Here you see an innovation that has already featured in volume production. Normally, we would just have a pipe down here. The cladding improves the aerodynamics, which means higher speeds, and with the same speed, less fuel consumption.
The aim is to win new customers. The Eurocopter is still struggling to re-emerge from the economic crisis. Production is below capacity. At times like these, public contractors such as the police tend to have their budgets cut and order fewer helicopters. Prices for the basic version start at 3 million euros, and the high-tech copters deployed for rescue operations or oil rigs cost a lot more.
Our helicopters are ideal for coastal operations. They have 2 engines and provide safety at sea. Plus, now there are more and more wind parks being built. They also need servicing, and that has to be done from the air.
Have to switch the autopilot to the left-hand side. It's definitely the
Buyers can also get instructions. Here, pilots from Argentina and Poland are getting used to the cockpit of their aircraft.
And this is also indicated.
The training is all part of the manufacturer's customer relations, but the service is also offered to non-buyers at a price. Eurocopter won't reveal just how lucrative the business is. The tests continue at the airfield. The helicopter needs to be faster than its rivals. The competition from China is growing. Could that become a more serious problem?
I don't think so. We are world leaders and proud of it.
It's an optimistic team which knows how to make the most of its technical expertise.